So in this tutorial we will learn about the search function. So what is search function? Click here and type here search, select this one and click OK. So search function returns the number of character at which a specific character or string is first found. That means if we want to find a character within a text, search function will return the position of that character in that string from left to right. That is, suppose if I wish to find n and it should be within quotation, then we will find within the text, suppose India and the start number. So start number is a optional argument. So if I don't put, then it will take as 1. So here you can see the n is in second position. If I type here I, then it is on first position. But if I start searching from the second letter, so we have to type here 2. So from the second letter, so it is 2, 3, 4. So next I is in fourth position. So in this way search function works. So let's understand with a real life example. So here we will find the position of C. So equal to search find text is C. Okay, then within text this one, then bracket close and enter. So C is in 6th position. You can see 4, then space is 5, then C is 6. So it is in 6th position. Now if I drag this here, here C is in 4th position, you can see here. But here if I put the start number, here I have not given the start number, so it took the start number as 1, so it has started counting from the first position. Now if I give comma and it will start searching from the 5th position, then it will return 11, because if it starts from the 5th position, so A is in 5th position, so it will not take this C in account. So 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11. So this C is in 11th position. In this way, if you drag this, here it is in 12th position, here it is in 13th position. Now for number, if you drag it and put here instead of C, we will put 8. It is in 5th position. But if I want to search after 5th position, then we have to type here 6. You can see it returns 8th position. So in this way search function works. Now for the real life problem, here in this text we want to find the position of a word India. So equal to search find text equal to India, comma within text this, then bracket close and enter. So it is in 9th position. But here we got errors because here we do not have any word as India. So here to remove this error, we can use a condition if error, comma within quotation not found, bracket close, enter. Now if you drag this, so where it got the word, it shows the position of the word, and if it doesn't found the word, then it shows not found. So let's understand the third example. Here is our full name. So in the name we have 2 words and here we have 3 words. So from this name we will extract the first name here, middle name here and the last name here. So how to do that? So first we'll start with first name. type here equal to left. Now the text is this one, comma. So how many character we will take? We will take here the position of space. All the first, after all first name we have a space. So we will take the position of first space minus 1. So for that we will use search function. Search within quotation space, comma, within text this one, bracket close, minus 1. Because this space is in sixth position. If I put only this one and enter, we got the first name. But the problem is that here if you type equal to len this cell, then it is showing 6 letter. But here you can see MANOJ, it is 5 letter. So that's why here we will do minus 1. Now you can see it is 5 character. Now we will extract the middle name. So for extracting the middle name, you have to use mid function. So type here equal to mid. So our text will be this one, comma, starting number from where we want to start. We want to start after the first space. So for that we will use search function. Find text space, comma, within text this one, comma, start number we not need, so bracket close. So we got the start number. So here our start number became, you can see here, if I press F9 it is 6, but it will start from 7. Here 5, 6, then 7. It will start from 7th position. That's why we will add here plus 1, comma, number of character. How many character we want to fetch? So here for the 3 words we have 2 spaces. So first, second space, the position of second space minus the position of first space. This will be the number of character. So here also we have to use search function. So search space quotation, comma, within text this one. Now we have to check after the first position. So comma, starting number will be, again search, find text space, comma, within text this one, then bracket close. So this search will give us the 6th position. So here it is starting number, so we will have to add 1 because we have to search the second position after the 6, that is 7. So here plus 1, bracket close. So this becomes the position of second space. Now minus search the first position. So find text equal to space, comma, this cell, then bracket close and enter. Here we are getting error value. Now drag this. You can see here we have errors because here we do not have the middle name. Use here if error, then go to end, comma, blank, bracket close and enter. And now drag this. So this cell is got blank and in this cell we got the middle name. So now we will extract the last name. So equal to right, bracket open, text is this one, comma, number of characters. So our number of character will be the character after this space. So here type len this one. So with the help of len we got the total number of character, then minus up to space. So search within quotation space, comma, within text this one, then bracket close, then bracket close for right, press enter, we got the last name. But in case of three-word name, that is, we have first name, middle name and the last name, there we have a problem. Here we can see we got the middle name and the last name. So for this case, you have to use in different way. So here we have to get the position of the second space. So here, comma, search space, comma, this text. Then press enter. Number of character F9 12. So our lane is equal to 19 minus 7. So here we got the first position of the space. Here we have to plus 1. Okay, so we got this verse. Now copy this and paste it here. We got Mahato. So in this way, you can extract the first name, middle name and last name from the full name. Now, in the fourth example, we want to get the position of the dash here. Now, to get the first position, what we will do, equal to search, find text equal to dash, comma within this text. Then bracket close and enter. So these dashes are on fourth position. Here if I put another letter S, so it is in fifth position. Now for the second position, equal to search, find text is dash within quotation, then within text this one, comma. So we have to search after the first position of dash. So we have to search the first position here, search dash within this text, bracket close, plus 1. So here it will give us 4 plus 1 5. So it will search after the fifth position, bracket close, enter. So it is in 8th position, it is in 9th position. Now we will get the third position. So same thing we have to apply, just increase one search more. So equal to search within quotation dash, comma within text this, comma. Now starting number will be second position of the dash. So first we will get this second position. So search, comma within text this one, comma again search within quotation dash, comma this text. So this search will give us the first position plus 1. So our first position is 4 plus 1 5. So for this search, start num becomes 5. So after 5, from 5 it will check the dash. So it will get the second position of this, second position of the dash. So press F9. Here we have to put bracket. Okay. Now press F9, we got the 8th position. You can see here the second position is 8. So here we have to add another one, then bracket close for first search, then enter. We got error value. Now drag this. We got here the third position of the dash. So here we have first position of dash, second position of dash, then third we do not have any dash. And here first position, second position and third position of dash. So in this way you can use this search function and get various results. So search function is a very important function. It can be used in various ways. So learn this function very carefully. I hope you have understood this tutorial, but still if you have any problem, write me in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any notification from our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.